Welcome to the world of bathroom luxury. Witness exceptional craftsmanship and unique design details. Silent, soft-closing operation, driven by aerodynamic rollers and a door stopper. Generous adjustability ranges to accommodate any walls, including those out of plumb. Perfectly tailored for any opening size. Coated with an ultra-durable, long-lasting finish, delivering a leak-free performance. With safe and resilient tempered glass, discover the most innovative designs. Available in every finish. VIGO. Committed to delivering the ideal every day.